fashionable among vegetarians and vegans. Plant milks made from almonds, oats, spelled, etc. are perceived as healthy drinks that are easy to digest. Is right? What are their nutritional advantages? Can they replace cow's milk? Things to know before buying. Improperly called vegetable milks, these drinks are in fact juices made from oleaginous fruits, almonds, hazelnuts, etc., cereals, oats, etc., or legumes, soya. Their advantages: profile: lactose-free, cholesterol-free, gluten-free for some, rich in unsaturated fatty acids, fiber. These drinks have serious nutritional benefits. Not to mention their ease of use. Their disadvantages: these alabaster-colored drinks, sold as substitutes for milk, are not milk. Even if these plant-based beverages are not without interest, they contain a lot of water, some added sugars and few nutrients. Plant-based milks are not suitable for infants. These drinks are unsuitable from a nutritional point of view for infants because they do not provide enough energy, proteins, essential amino acids, fatty acids, calcium, iron. In the long term, they present risks of deficiencies, malnutrition. Only breastfeeding or specific infant formulas cover the nutritional needs of infants. If your child has a diagnosed food allergy, there are suitable infant versions. Real alternatives to cow's milk? These rice milks, almond milks, offer another possibility to cow's milk for lactose intolerant. Also valuable for those with cholesterol, low level of saturated fatty acids, or simply for people who want to reduce their consumption of cow's milk. Points to check: before purchasing added sugars, it is better to choose products that display the words "no added sugars" and dose the desired amount yourself. The protein content: only natural soy drinks have a good protein content. The amount of calcium: these drinks do not shine by their presence in calcium. Opt for those fortified with calcium. The presence of allergens: if you have food intolerances, check the mentions: gluten-free, lactose-free, presence or not of nuts, no indication, do not. The number of ingredients: avoid drinks with unnatural flavors, preservatives, stabilizers, etc. Please like, share and subscribe.